Hi guys, in this video we'll have the implementation for post API and update our Redux state for the employee. Okay, so here let's go to the folder prosy. We have API. Okay, and let's define the employee method. We have employee. So here it is the function. Before having the implementation for this function, remember inside the backend we have this post mapping. We have this action, and this action expect a request body of type employee. So this function we need to define it the way we will send a data. Okay, so here we need to pass a request data. Let's name it request data. So we expect a request body. We will pass it to the employee. So we'll name this request data. So and we'll return the axios dot post. This is a post mapping, and we'll have the base URL first, and then plus followed by the URL we are targeting this. So let's add it to avoid mistake. We copy. So the next thing is the request data, that is the response body. So we'll send the request with the response body. Okay, so we finish with this, and let's go to the action.js to update our state when we make this request. So here inside the Redux we have action.js, and we'll start with a simple function. So let's have export, and we have function called this employee. So this will expect this employee, and we will define the type and the payload. Okay, before having this we will go to the action type. Here remember we have only for the get. Now we will need a that is post. So we'll name this post, and then let's have a string like this. To differentiate this, we just need to change this get with post. Okay, save the changes and then go back to the action.js. We will return something like this. We will start with the type, action type, which the reducer will use to identify. Okay, we have action types that employee type dot, in this case, post, and then let's define the payload. Payload is the employee. Okay, it is as simple as this. And the next thing, we will define the action. So we need to define the employee action. So export function, we name this employee action. So and this will also expect the employee. So and then we need a dispatch. We'll return dispatch. So here it is, dispatch, and then followed by we need API dot, we will access the employee. Here it is. Okay, so this method expect a data. So let's pass this employee, and then after this we'll have 10. So we'll define what will happen after. So let's name this new employee. Okay, and we'll have the logic. So we'll call the add employee. First, let's call the dispatch and then add employee, then followed by the new employee dot data. Okay, so this will have the employee that we just add. We are passing it to our action. Okay, and the reducer will use the type that we have here, and it will update our state. So this is the implementation of the add employee, and have the implementation for the post inside the reducer. Okay, so here we only have for the get. So let's define this. We need a case, and this will be, will have the action types dot employee type dot, we are using post for now. Okay, and we'll return, so state, and then now we need to update our state with the new employee, that is the new payload that we have. So we use this to go through the state dot employees, and then we add the new employee action dot payload. Okay, so this is the only changes that we will make here. Okay, let's save the changes, and the next thing we will have the implementation for the add employee. So we need to have field so that we can submit the employee, the new employee.